Hello, my name is Chris Brodsky, and I am a help desk technician at Oxbridge Academy. In today's computer training, we will be going over the menu bar and some best practices for caring for your new laptop. Starting on the top left corner of your screen, you will see the Apple logo in the menu bar. Click on the logo, and you will see a list of helpful options that you will regularly use in your stay at Oxbridge Academy. The About This Mac button provides you with important information about your computer's hardware specifications and your device's serial number. It also provides a snapshot of how much storage is currently in use. Click on Storage to view now. Managing your data will be an important part of using your computer, so make sure to check here every so often. The next item of importance to note is the Force Quit button. This allows you to quickly close an application that is running on your computer but not responding. Please note, this has a limited functionality and is not the preferred method of shutting down an application. It should be used when all else fails. Next up is the Shutdown button. This is the appropriate way to safely shut down your computer. When told to shut down in this manner, the computer safely closes all applications, clears the relevant random access memory, and powers off the computer. There are other methods to turn off the device, but these can cause data loss, surges, or physical damage to your computer if not careful. Again, this is the best way to turn off your device, and it is recommended that you do so at least once a week. Lastly, I want to go over the lock screen button. There may be times when you need to get up from your computer and leave it unattended. While we recommend that you have your computer on you at all times, in the rare occasions where you can't do so, locking the screen will prevent someone else from accessing your personal data. Continuing along, you will find the context-sensitive area of the menu bar. The name next to the apple corresponds to the app running in the foreground of your computer. It changes as you go from app to app. The other lines that follow are specific to the application running. Let's move on to the icons on the right side of the menu bar. The OneDrive icon shows when your OneDrive is running. By default, it should be doing so on all new computers. Click on the OneDrive icon and select Open Folder to open up a new Finder window. You can select this folder and drag and drop any information you wish to back up into here. Or, when using Office 365 applications, you can save to OneDrive's online folder to take advantage of the autosave feature in those applications. You can create new folders and set which folder you want to sync with your computer from the drop-down in the menu bar. Click the icon, then Open Folder to take you to a Finder window again. When the menu bar changes to say Finder next to the Apple logo, you can select File, New Folder, and rename it. It may be a good practice to have one of these for each of your classes. Next to Open Folder is the option to view online. You don't have to use the applications at all to create and save documents, and if you choose to view online, you will see the online version of the OneDrive application. Next, you will see More, which brings up a whole new menu. The one to use here is Preferences, where if you navigate to your account, you can see available storage as well as select the folders you want to sync. Folders that you sync with your Mac will take up space on both your Mac and OneDrive. So once you are done with the project, unsync that folder here to allow it to live on OneDrive Cloud Storage alone. Moving on, you should see a green box with a shield in the center. This is Microsoft's System Center Endpoint Protection, our virus protection software. It may turn red from time to time, and this usually indicates that it is receiving an update in the background to better protect your device. Next, we use a system of granting you access to SelfService and Wi-Fi called Nomad. If you see the triangle with a check mark, it means you are signed in and connected to our on-campus App Store. If you see the words not connected, this just means you can't use our Wi-Fi or SelfService to download applications. If you see a triangle with no check mark, this may just be Nomad signing in and is not a cause for alarm. Clicking on the icon, you will see a few handy items in the list. Clicking on Get Software will open up SelfService. Any of the web-based links will take you to that location described in the link, so long as you have a Wi-Fi connection. Downloading the applications will work so long as you are on campus. Clicking on Contact Oxbridge IT will take you to Oxbridge IT's help desk. You can sign in with your username and password and give a brief subject and description of your issue. This works in the same way as the subject and body of an email. You can also get a hold of us by sending emails to helpdesk@oapb.org, calling our number at 561-972-9699, or use extension 699 from any phone on campus. After that, you will see the familiar Wi-Fi symbol. Click on this and make sure Oxbridge is checked. If it is not checked, follow through the first video in this series and it will walk you through signing in to our Wi-Fi. When you are on campus, there should be no need to switch Wi-Fi networks. After this, you will see the battery symbol, which will provide information on your battery life. You will also see the date and the time. Since Apple software is sensitive to the time on the computer being correct, you are unable to change these as it might prevent you from using applications you need or from your computer functioning. If you notice the time is off, let IT know. After that, you will see the spyglass symbol for Spotlight. Spotlight provides a search bar that looks for keywords across your whole computer and will search the internet for you as well, often turning up Wikipedia articles, definitions, and other relevant topics. Finally, you will see the notifications button. This will provide you with any information about notifications you receive. We also use notifications as a way of managing your device, so please pay attention and respond to any prompts accordingly. That's it for this video, and thanks for watching.